Hold on, can you confirm that last thing you said to me? Max is how long away?
Just around the corner.
Just around the corner. It's an official statement.
So that means it is true. Guys, we can't have you guys blocking up the road.
That was a dangerous one. Yeah, that was close. Holy. He was lucky. I like other couple.
It does go without saying thank you very much for coming out today. I know some of you have been here for absolute hours. It is truly appreciated. Your passion for cars. And all the footage, anything that you upload, any pictures, please tag us at Couple 3000.
Come on, give me some. Give me some. I know you. Rev it, bro! Give me some. Rev it! Sickest car ever, man. Holy. Oh, it's coming back. The Chevrolet's coming back, man. It's around the corner.